Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wild Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic inspired farmhouse home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Fantastic inspired farmhouse decor is a design style that mixes rustic farmhouse elements like natural wood, beams, shiplap, and distressed furniture. Soft vintage charm like antique decor, floral fabrics, lace, and curved furniture. And also chic elegance like light color palettes, refined details, and delicate pictures. It feels cozy but elegant, rustic but feminine, old-fashioned but fresh. Think an old countryside farmhouse decorated with antique finds and soft romantic details. Core elements of this style a soft neutral color palette like farmhouse base plus vintage softness. Main colors cream of white, warm base, soft grey with the chest cream, dusty rose, pale blue. Walls are usually light to keep the space airy and timeless. Distress and antique furniture. Furniture often looks weathered, whitewashed, lightly chipped, time-worn. Examples: antique wooden dining tables, distressed white cabinets, vintage sideboards, curved leg chairs, old wooden trucks. The imperfect looks is very important. Uses natural materials. In farmhouse foundation, use solid wood, linen, cotton, rattan, wicker, iron hardware, stone or brick accents. These materials give it that grounded farmhouse feel. Romantic vintage details, the thick part. This is how separates it from plain farmhouse style. Add floral prints, lace curtains, ruffled pillows, crystal or vintage candeliers. Decorative mirrors with ornate frames. Uses porcelain vases, antique clocks. It adds softness and elegance. Layer textures. Texture layering makes the space cozy. Use linen curtains, net troughs, cotton slip covers, oven baskets, distressed wood, soft rugs. The room should feel warm and lived in, not empty. Open shelving with vintage displays. Open shelves styled with stacked white dishes, vintage teacups, mason jars, old books, ceramic pitchers, wooden cutting boards. This is especially popular in farmhouse kitchens. Room by room feel. First, living room. Use linen sofa, distressed coffee table, floral cushions, wicker baskets, and antique mirror. Kitchen is white cabinets, open wood shelves, vintage chairs, farmhouse sink, copper or brass accents. For bedroom, use iron or curved wooden bed, white bedding, lace curtains, soft pastel throws, vintage bedside lamps. Overall mood, it feels peaceful, nostalgic, elegant, cozy, light and airy, warm and welcoming. It gives that old countryside home with timeless charm feeling. Here are cheaper, more refined tips to make your fantastic farmhouse decor look layered, elegant, and authentic, not overly modern or staged. First, focus on patina, not perfection. Fantastic farmhouse is about age and history, state of brand new shiny furniture, to slightly distressed finishes, antique brass hardware, soft fitted fabrics, aged wood tones. Tip: even unauthentic vintage beads in a room elevates everything. And on it plus rustic contrast, the magic happens when you mix on it mirrors plus raw wood console, crystal candelier plus exposed wooden beams, lace curtains plus blocked iron curtain jars. This contrast creates this chic farmhouse balance. Use soft florals carefully. Florals should feel muted, faded, delicate, and smaller scale. Avoid bright, bold modern prints. Best choices: dusty rose florals, shades green, botanical prints, cream background floral patterns. Keep florals in cushions, curtains, table runners, bedding. Not everywhere, balance is key. Style with vintage accessories but don't overcrowd. Choose meaningful pieces like old books stacked horizontally, ceramic pictures, use open baskets, vintage clocks, candlesticks, antique trays. Tip: leave breathing space between items. It should feel crowded, not cluttered. Embrace old and warm. Farmhouse needs old. Mix light oak, warm walnut, oiled pine. You can add wooden ceiling beams, real or fox. Use wooden open shelves. Place a rustic bench at the dining table. Wood balances the softness of the vintage elements. Use slip covered for instant charm. Linen slip covered sofas or chairs look relaxed, feel cozy, give friends farmhouse vibes. Are practical and washable. Choose a white, cream, or soft base. Add oven elements for texture. Texture makes it look expensive. Add wicker baskets, rattle chairs, oven trays, two jugs. This create visual warmth without adding heavy color. Let natural light be the stir. Fantastic farmhouse should feel airy. Use sheer curtains, light walls, mirrors to reflect sunlight. Avoid dark heavy drops, too many dark painted walls. Create a connected over time feeling. It should not look like you bought everything in one day. Mix old, new, handmade, or rustic, elegant. For example, use a new sofa plus antique coffee table plus handmade crochet cushion. This would also look beautiful if you style it for cotton. Keep it soft, not sharp. Avoid too many sharp modern lines. Glossy surfaces, ultra minimal furniture. Instead, choose curved edged, soft fabrics, gentle shapes, subtle detailing. Bonus: make it look luxury without being expensive. Use tall curtains from ceiling to floor. Add on elegant candelier, layer rugs. Use matching hardware throughout. Keep clutter hidden in oven baskets. Create soft visual flow between rooms. Fantastic farmhouse homes feel connected, not random. Use similar color tones throughout. Repeat materials like wood, linen, and brass. Keep hardware consistent. Same metal finish. For example, if your kitchen has brass handles, repeat brass in lamps or mirrors in the living room. This creates a ceremony. Use statement pieces but only on per room. Every room needs one wow item. Examples: a large ornate vintage mirrors, a farmhouse dining table with thick legs, a crystal candelier, and a distressed armory. Everything else should support the page. not compete with it. Mix the rough plus soft textures. This is how it makes it interesting. Here, rough wood table plus soft linen tablecloth, brick wall plus lace curtains, iron bed frames plus floppy bedding, rustic bins plus floral cushions. Contrast creates depth. The subtle acting techniques. If something looks too new, soften it. Lightly sand furniture edged with chalk paint for matte finish. Replace shiny knobs with antique style hardware that keep it subtle. Over distressing can look artificial. Style surfaces in layers. Design a trick instead of placing items flat. Layer them. For example, on a console table, lay a mirror or artwork at the back. Add a lamp on a side. Place stacked books. Add a small vase on top. Body height: tall, medium, or short. This gives that cozy editorial look. Add soft farmhouse greenery. Plants make it feel alive. Bust choices: olive branches, eucalyptus, lavender, wildflowers in ceramic vases, and giant flowers. Avoid overly tropical plants that don't fit the farmhouse mood. Use warm lighting only. Lighting changes everything. Choose warm white bulbs, fabric lampshades, candle style bulbs, lantern style lights. Avoid cool white LED, harsh ceiling lights only. Layer light ceiling plus table lamps plus candles. Keep negative space. Realistic is cozy but not crowded. Leave empty wall sections. Clear floor space. Open areas on shelves. Breathing room makes decor stand out. Use mirrors strategically. Windows mirrors add elegance, reflect light, make small spaces look bigger. Choose gold frame, distressed white frames, onyx curtain frames. Place opposite windows for maximum brightness. Add subtle feminine touches without overdoing it. To keep it chic, not too rustic, include soft ruffles, delicate embroidery, curved furniture legs, soft pastel accents. Balance them with oud and iron so it doesn't become too shabby. Create cozy corners. Make small styled joints. Use a reading chair plus oven baskets plus lamp. Also a breakfast nook with floral cushions. A bedside tree with books plus candle. These corners make the home feel lived in and romantic. Let imperfections show. Don't hide. Use oat grain, natural notes, slight fabric wrinkles, and crafted texture. That authenticity is how it makes farmhouse feel warm. Use layer rugs for warmth and dimension. Don't rely on on-rug. Take layer textures, a flat sofa jute rug under a soft wool or vintage floral rug. Keep colors soft and neutral or muted pastels. Layering creates that collected over time feel. Mix metals strategically. Combine antique brass, brushed gold, and old iron in small doses. Example: brass cabinet handles, old iron candlelight plus gold framed mirror. Avoid shiny bordered chrome. It breaks the farmhouse mood. Instead, shiplap or wood panel accents. Use farmhouse style lamps, wood walls or panels. You can do full walls, patio walls, or even ceiling panels. Paint in soft cream muted gray or leave natural for rustic authenticity. Use open shelving wisely. Display vintage kitchenware or decor in a small crowded clusters. Example: old enamel mugs, antique teapots, small potted plants. Avoid clutter. Empty space makes peaches pop. Embrace handmade.DIY decor. Hand-painted sign. Use crochet baskets and embroidered pillows. These personal touches make the space feel lived in and authentic. Personalize with vintage finds. Use old frames, heirlooms, antique clocks, and rustic trays. A single story-filled page in every room adds depth and nostalgia. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.